Power Target Trades, Power Trick or Trade.
Okay, I got a great video here of how we made 100% gains in Ruko. And I'm also going to be showing a gift sent by one of my members inside of Power Group Trades on this plan. Now, he went a little bit too big on Ruko, but regardless, I want to show you what we planned. And we made 100% gains today, February the 4th. Let me open this up over here. And this was the plan here. I said Ruko is set up to test 52 to 58. The February 15, 45 calls could be used. That's right, people. So if you look over here near the arrows right over here, February the 15th right here, the 45 calls, they cost at the time $213. Now, that's not what we paid on confirmation. We had to pay higher, okay? But this is where, this was the day, the 24th, and that's what the options cost because we show everything. I says Ruko needs to break above 44.75 to confirm. Well, it didn't have to move very much, right? Because it this close was 43.29. All right, now. So let me show you something here. All right, so when it came to Ruko, we had to wait till January the 29th for confirmation. So here you can see Ruko confirming with the February 15 45 calls at 270. So $270 per option, okay? And one of the members inside of Power Group Trades actually bought 10 contracts. I'm going to show you the story and made some great gains, made 100% gains, and is holding a couple of runners. What I always suggest is for people when we're making 100%, we make a lot of 100% gains here in Power Group Trades. And again, this was all out of free will. This gift is a gift. In other words, he sent me this gift because he was happy that he made the money. So let me show you the end result of Ruko. But you see, it confirmed on the 29th. Let me show you some more information here. So I gave some advice on this trade here on January 29th. I said, with HD and Ruko, because Ruko wasn't making money for us right away. We have a lot of time, and all we need is one good day, which was today, of course, and boom, profits will come with skill. They have confirmed and are trending, so we must play the support game. So basically what I've done inside of Power Group Trades is I give advice about holding and supports, and we held a Ruko. And let me show you the outcome now. Give me a second here. So I'm inside of Power Group Trades here. I mean, in my PayPal, and I clicked to the link where I was sent 200 and well, I was sent $251 from Lewis. He had added more for I don't know. He told me he had an issue sending it or had whatever. But anyways, he sent me a $251 gift. He had to, in order to get to 51, he had to pay an additional 9. So theoretically, he had spent about what, $207. Okay, but that's not the case. Anyways, so Lewis, a member inside of Power Group Trades. Now let's take a look at. So thank you, Lewis, for that. And again, let me show you the outcome here. Just give me one second here, people. So here's Lewis inside of Power Group Trades. Now, not everybody wants to show all this information. I will maybe just tell the messages, but just example. So it says, "Hey Sandra, I just sent you $200 as a gift," because this is U.S. dollars, right? So Canadian dollars is going to be more. So $200 U.S. dollars. Yeah. Anyways, $200 gift for the Ruko plan. I made more than 100% gains on 10 contracts, so it did greater than 100%. Sold 8 as you advised me to do, and I am holding 2 now for runners. Thanks for the hard work. Well, I never wanted Lewis, by the way, never wanted Lewis with his size account to buy 10 contracts. However, he did very well and sent some great gains out of free will. That's why you want to get inside of Power Group Trades. Let me show you some more facts, people. Let me show you some more facts. So I'm in the charts here. I've taken a snapshot around 11:45 a.m. Okay. Now these options went higher than $600, but you can see by the high over here. But I took a snapshot at $590 per option. That's greater than 100% gains from 270, right? You multiply 270 times 2, right? And that's greater than, well, It's 5. Yeah, yeah. It's close. Anyways, it's practically 100%. 100% gains in options. It went higher, right? But I wanted to show you. And of course, Ruko is going to go higher. Actually, I'm in the charts over here now, and you can see that the options are even higher. Here is 615, okay? And now you can see this is the time, 18 p.m. That's for the, this is for February the 4th here, okay? And you can see that we hit a high of 50.70, right? And right now it's 50.54. So these options, $630 per option. So like I said, people, greater than, excuse me, and I'm making this right now, this video, as you see the time, right? In the Power Trick or Trade, you know, this is what I do for a living, people. Help people make money. Capiche? Understand? All right, now. This is a great winning plan. Get yourself into Power Group. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let me press, give me a second here, people. All right, people. Welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. That's right. What you want to do is get yourself into Power Group Trades. It's free, by the way. But you want to understand what I'm about, right? So study this pin tweet video and make sure to come to my YouTube channel. So that pin tweet video that I showed you, okay? Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Customization. Give me a second here, people. Okay. You want to study my creative playlist, right? Great gains. We make great gains in BA, in January. Listen. It's quality over quantity, okay? Very unique group. You want to study my channel. You want to find out what I'm about, okay? 100% gains in Ruko with skill. We're not talking about baby scalper, okay? Baby scalpers, people who are in and out of the market. They don't know how to make money. They make money with fear. You can't make money with fear, people. You got to make it with skill. A Power Trick Trade is about skill. My group sends me gifts, a lot of gifts, right? This is just an example here. Lots of gifts Power Trick Trade received, right? Out of free will, right? It's free to be in. We want you to make money in Power Group Trade so that you can send me gifts. Isn't that a great deal? No strings attached. You are going to be happy to be a member of Power Group Trades. Study! Study! Get yourself in Power Group Trades. You're going to see a picture of me at the end of the video in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. I'll see you on the other side. I do live streams. Get yourself involved. Subscribe to my Twitter as well. Like, become a follower. Get yourself a Twitter account. Become a follower. Subscribe to YouTube. See you on the other side, people. Great winning trade. Rated 100% gains. Ruko!
Power Target Trades. Power Trick or Trade.